How to change language on YouTube TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can change language on YouTube TV. So if you are also wondering on how to do that, these are the processes you may follow and you should be able to change the language on YouTube TV. So first of all, open up your TV, your YouTube on your TV. And once you're here, go to the menu, open up your menu. Once you've opened up your menu, you can go to settings, look out for the settings which is on the last option. And once you've selected your settings, go ahead and look out to language. Find this option called language under your settings. When you reach over here, switch up to the language and choose up, go to the right side of the screen. And once you're here, go ahead and click on it. Once clicked, you will be finding a bunch of language options here. So just go ahead and click on the one that is suitable for you. For example, Spanish. So you can just go ahead and choose Spanish and confirm the change. And when you confirm it, the changes will be applied on your YouTube TV. So that is it. That is how you change up your language on your YouTube TV as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.